video is sponsored by Raycon. Unlike some of your other wireless options, Raycon earbuds are both stylish and discreet, with no dangling wires or stems. They sound just as amazing as other top audio brands you know. The latest model is their best one yet, with 6 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth pairing, more bass, and a more compact design that gives you a nice, noise-isolating fit. Click the link in the description below to get 15% off your order. Go to buyraycon.com/HTB for 15% off your order. Brought to you by Raycon.